Hi, I'm Todd from Wood Frontier, and today I'm going to be working on this spinning top. Spinning tops, it's an amazing project. It's a great skill builder. They're quick, kids love them, and they're just kind of fun. So I'm starting off with my spindle roughing gouge to bring the stock down and into round. And here I've got my skew chisel. The skew chisel is my absolute favorite tool. It just slices so beautifully, just leaves an amazing cut. So this here is the peeling cut with it, and that helps you bring stock down to a lower diameter for making the stem here, which is the handle, before I switch over to the planing cut. And the planing cut, it's basically like a hand plane where it slices off material just kind of at a low angle. It's a basic cut for the skew chisel. When you're doing it, you want to be just right at the front edge, maybe about the front 30% of the skew. That's absolutely vital. If you move too far back towards the long point, just on the cutting edge, you're going to get the signature spiral catch that you are notified very quickly when you get that. But other than just being a little terrifying, it's mostly harmless. It might ruin it will ruin your piece. So it absolutely takes some practice. But once you get that, you will love it. But yeah, right there, the very front third of the tool is the part that's doing the cutting. If I go back, lean it back towards the long point, I'll know quickly. So now one other thing that helps with the skew is raising the tool rest. Right here, I should have it raised up a little bit higher. I've got the perfect height for that stem, but for the body of the top, not as much. And what I'm doing here is I'm kind of transitioning my planing cut into rolling a bead. I've got a bit of a convex curve there for the top. I switch over to the spindle gouge, and that lets me remove all of this waste, it's just kind of in the way. Riding the bevel just straight down the body of the top. And now a little bit of sandpaper just to take off any sharp edges. And that's important if you're going to be coloring it with these markers. Just helps to make sure you get a clean finish on there and coverage everywhere. So hey, this is a really fun project. People seem to love the strawberry tops. You should go ahead and give it a try. You should work on mastering the skew chisel. It's a great tool. I just have a lot of fun with these spinning tops. Thanks so much for watching. Punch that subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments. Ciao.